The Literacy Curriculum Map saves teachers time and helps them meet ELA standards using the wide array of books, passages, skill packs, and other resources included in Raz-Plus. Designed to allow teachers to deliver social-emotional, science, social studies, and arts instruction within your literacy block, the Literacy Curriculum Map provides a week-by-week pathway for the entire school year, organized into 8 units for each grade level, K through 5. Each unit includes 4 weekly plans that detail specific resources to use for instruction and differentiation, all conveniently located, easily accessible, and assignable in the file cabinet. Now teachers can quickly find standards-aligned resources, and administrators can ensure that all students at each grade level are receiving consistent, standards-based instruction across their district. The Literacy Curriculum Map is another way that Learning A to Z makes it easy for you to implement blended, personalized learning in your classroom.